Hi there. In the last few video, we learned how to move our robot and how to use the codes perfectly so that the robot will move easily. And in the last video, we saw that our robot was detecting an obstacles and it was stopping there. But it was in a square route and in a straight route. So now we will let our robot free like as per our directions and we will see if it is sensing that. So for that, first what we need to do is we have to go to controls and my programs. My program is most important block and this we have told in every this we have said in every video that this block contains all the commands of our program. So for that, after using it, now we will see that we want it to repeat, right? So for that repeating, we will use loop. So repeat how many times? So for that, we will use mathematical block. So I want my robot to repeat the same task 4 times. So repeating it 4 times, then what to do now? So we have told robot that repeat 4 times, but what to repeat we have not yet commanded it. So for that we will go to move motions, we will drag move forward, and I want my robot to turn right and again move forward, and then I want my robot to turn left and move forward, and again I want it to turn right and move forward. So now a robot will move forward and turn right, again move forward, again turn right, move forward, turn right, and again move forward. So this task it will repeat 4 times. So let's see it is moving forward and turning right whenever we have commanded it to. So now it is repeating it again and again till the 4 ends. So now we have successfully finished it. So now how to detect an obstacle? So we will go for sensors and read ultrasonic sensor. But we cannot place this sensor directly. So what we will do is we will keep it, we will remove it from screen. As of now, this block here is to delete some blocks which is taken by mistakenly. So now as we saw, like I have taken it out, I'll drag it here so that it will be deleted. And then going to logic. As we learned, if and do is used to detect some sensors. So I'll place it at the end to command that robot if the obstacle is further than. I'll change it to further now. Further than 20 centimeter, then we will stop the code. So now we have commanded a robot to repeat this task 4 times and to move forward and turn right, that is the zigzag form. And if you detect any obstacle which is further than 20 centimeter, then you need to stop. So this is what we have told our robot. So now for this we will save our program. After saving it successfully, we'll be starting it. So as we can see, our robot have started moving in the like the way we have told it. But why is it not repeating 4 times? Because we have commanded a robot that if you detect any obstacle which is further than 20 centimeter, then you need to stop. So that means here the robot have sensed something which is further 20 centimeter. For example, now I'm going on the road and there is a stone after 20 centimeter. So what I do is I will stop. So the same way the robot have performed our program. So this is how the robot works and the logic works. So we will retest it by resetting it. So again start, and again the same, the robot is sensing and it is stopping there, right? So cool, right? So in the next video, we'll learn more blocks, like how to use those, how to command a robot in and make it more advanced. So see you in the next video, future robot builders.